Hey, welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are jumping headfirst into Pixverse AI. This is a tool that's really changing the game for video creation, and we're going to take you from zero to hero in just the next few minutes. So, here's the game plan. We're going to kick things off with what Pixverse even is. Then, we'll get our hands dirty and make our first video. Yep, in under a minute. After that, we'll level up and show you how to think like a director, and finally, we'll see how all this fits into the real world. Let's get started. All right, first things first. What is Pixverse AI, and why is it making so much noise in the creative community right now? You know, at its heart, Pixverse is really all about one thing: tearing down the walls to video creation. The idea is to give you the power to make incredible-looking videos, whether you're a total pro or you've literally never opened a piece of editing software before. You'll hear people call it the mid-journey for video, and honestly, that's a perfect way to put it. It just clicks, right? You type in a few words, an idea, a scene, a feeling, and just like magic, out comes a beautiful cinematic video clip. It's turning your imagination directly into motion. So what's its secret sauce? Well, it really comes down to this killer combo. It's incredibly fast, the interface is super simple, and the quality is just fantastic. But the real game changer, especially when you're just starting out, no watermarks. Even on the free plan, your creations are yours right from the get-go. Okay, enough talk. Let's actually do something. We're going to walk through creating your very first video, and I think you'll be shocked at how fast you can go from just an idea to a finished piece of content. It's all about getting you that quick win right out of the gate. You know, to show you just how powerful this thing is. It's literally 3 steps. You type in your idea, you pick a style, you hit create. That's it. It's designed to be that easy. And don't think for a second this is just a one-trick pony. Pixverse is like a Swiss Army knife for AI video. You can animate your photos, make your video clips longer, create consistent characters. You can even fuse multiple images together into one seamless shot. It's a full-blown creative suite. All right, so you've made a cool clip, but pretty soon you're going to want to stop letting the AI drive and take the wheel yourself. This is where we go from just being a user to becoming an AI director. This is where the pros separate themselves from the beginners. You got to stop just throwing random words at it and start using a formula. When you structure your prompts, thinking about the camera, the scene, the subject, the action, you get predictable, high-quality results every single time. And just look at the difference this makes. It's night and day, right? A man and a car gives you, well, who knows what. But the formulaic prompt, that gives you a scene. It gives you a mood. It gives you a story. You're in control now. And if you want to get really granular, you can start speaking the language of cinematography. There are over 20 camera commands you can just type right into your prompt, letting you pull off everything from a dramatic Hitchcock zoom to a slick whip pan. Okay, this next one is a total game changer for consistency. It's called the seed parameter. Think of it as a unique ID for your creation. If you use the same seed number, you will get the exact same video back. This is absolutely crucial when you're trying to tweak an idea or create a series of shots that feel connected. All right, now let's get into the stuff that turns Pixverse from a fun toy into a serious tool for storytellers, because it solves some of the biggest headaches we've seen in AI video generation so far. I mean, we've all been there, right? You generate these amazing shots, but your character's face completely changes from one to the next. It's been the Achilles heel of AI video, just a massive source of frustration for anyone trying to tell an actual story. Well, Pixverse has an incredibly elegant solution for this. It's so simple, but it's a total unlock. You upload a photo of your character, you give them a name, like @Alex, and bam! You can now put that exact character into any scene you can imagine. This is a huge deal and a massive leg up on the competition. And it doesn't just stop at consistent characters. The storyteller's toolkit here is deep. You can make your characters talk with a lip sync tool. You can stretch a 4-second clip into an 8-second one. You get fine-tuned control over how your shots begin and end. They've really thought about what a storyteller needs. So, with all these amazing tools, let's zoom out. In a world full of AI video generators, where does Pixverse actually fit? And more importantly, how would you use it in a real-world project? This really lays it all out. Pixverse has carved out this perfect little niche for itself. It's not trying to be a massive, complex studio tool like Runway, but it's way more powerful than something super simple like Pika. It's the sweet spot for creators who want both power and ease of use. And this is how it all comes together in a professional workflow. You see, Pixverse isn't meant to replace everything.
It's an incredible engine for generating specific shots and B-roll. You create your core assets in Pixverse, and then you bring them into your favorite video editor to assemble, polish, and tell the final story.
So you have to wonder, right? With tools this powerful, this fast, this accessible, is this the beginning of the end for traditional stock video? When you can generate the exact custom shot you need in seconds, the whole landscape of content creation starts to shift. This isn't just a new feature, it's a new way of creating. The only question left is, what stories will you tell?